Hey guys, it's Zach from Harvest Trade with you, and as always I'm very much glad to welcome you to our new video, a video in which as always we are going to make two new deals with two new currency pairs, and also we will talk about a new topic that will allow us to get more knowledge about the world of trading, and knowledge that will help you a lot through your trading life. So I think that we should not waste any more time. We should dig into the world of trading because our first currency pair for today is the pair of Australian dollar and Japanese yen. As we can see that at first our pair rapidly went down and reached its minimum value, it reached the support line, after which there were two options. Either the support line would be overcome or further growth would follow. There was a sharp and confident growth, after which we see that our currency pair remains approximately at same level. And now we just have to calculate whether there will be a new fall or resistance line that has formed now will be overcome. And I believe that the second option is the one we are going to choose. So let's point out the further growth of our currency pair. I believe this will be a right decision for us. Our topic for today is currency pairs and everything you need to know about them. So let's get started. After registering with any broker, the first thing you will see is the variety of assets that you will be offered to work with, and those price levels we will have to predict. They are usually of three types: currency pairs, stock, and stock indices. It is with currency pairs that most people start and do it right. For to work with stocks, you need to be very well versed in the essence of the stock market. In trading sessions, you need to be able to understand the quarterly reports of companies that these shares and issued, and know a lot of other things. There are also enough nuances with currency pairs, but in my opinion, it is much more convenient for a beginner to work with them. You can certainly try all the options, but if you have already started with currency pairs, they will remain in your trading forever. Obviously, all currencies are traded in pairs, wherein the first currency is called the base currency and the second is quoted. In order to not be confused, the order in them is always the same. So the pair is displayed as euro and USA dollar. It's always like that, and not USA dollar and euro. And the correct order is regulated by the international organization ISO. It is a serious office, so don't anger it and don't get confused. It is important to just remember that all brokers will have pairs according to the standard. We also need to talk about the types of currency pairs, and for your information, all currency pairs in the world can be divided into the following three categories. It is main pairs, cross pairs, and exotic pairs. Main currencies, these are the currencies of the richest economies on the planet: the USA, Great Britain, Japan, Switzerland, and Canada. Major pairs are the most liquid. In other words, they are traded a lot, often and willingly. Accordingly, they are also the most popular, but that is not necessarily good. Let's say the euro and dollar is the most popular currency pair in the world, but I honestly wouldn't say it's the easiest. The reason is that too much news affects it, and not all of them can be found on the internet, so you must be careful with it. And all pairs have dollar as the base or quote currency. And let's say a few words about cross pairs. Currency crosses are pairs without the dollar. Why crosses? Because most currencies are pegged to USA dollar. So first they charge $2, then to each other. In trading platforms, the exchange is done automatically, but you just need to know the essence as why there are so much like such crosses. And while we were talking, our first deal for today was completed successfully, and it gave us the desired result, and it's very important. And also, I want to remind you guys that you should not forget to subscribe to our channel, leave the likes in the comments, and also don't forget to follow the link in the description under the video to my Telegram channels. There is a free Telegram channel where I give out advices for free, like every single day, as well as a VIP channel where people earn good money right now. And I'm very much waiting for you there. Like, let's earn money together with Harvest Trade. It is like absolutely amazing to see how our channel is growing and how there are more people who are helped by my advices, and that is very, very important to me. Now let's work with our second currency pair for today is the pair of euro and USA dollar. So let's earn more money. The technical analysis for the second pair is actually quite simple. At the beginning our pair was quite unstable, and as you can see that after the initial growth it went down and reached its historical minimum, after which a logical growth followed. After there was a fall and further growth, which led to a resistance line as well as a historical maximum. And now we see that our chart is starting to grow again. It does it confidently, so there are two options, either a sharp drop down or a continued growth. And I believe that we can count on the continued growth of the couple, and that is exactly what we are going to do. So let's do it and hope that it will give us some more profit. Now I want to tell you a few words about what exotic couples are. And I think you are unlikely to trade like ever on them because they contain the currencies of small countries in Europe that did not introduce the euro, like say the Norwegian krone, plus the currencies of developing countries in Asia, Africa, the Middle East and South America. They are actually like rarely traded, trading volumes are small, liquidity is low, very risky for the job. Like I would say those are couples for real perverts, and I think you are not one of them. Now let's say a few words about the commodity currencies. It is a separate section and is the currencies of countries that earn mainly from the export of various raw materials such as oil, gold, silver, sugar, platinum, etc. This also often includes the currencies of developing countries, like for example Madagascar not only has lemurs and cartoon penguins, but also exports of raw materials accounting for 90% of the total export share of their entire country. And you should also know that the main commodity currencies of the world are CAD, Canadian dollar, AUD, Australian dollar, NZD, New Zealand dollar, BRL is Brazilian real, NOK is Norwegian krone, and CLP, Chilean peso. I'm often asked like what is the best currency pairs for beginners. Recommendations on the most traded currency pairs for BO and Forex is like only not the euro and dollars, like definitely, and overly nervous pairs that depend on the sneeze of some guys at the Fed. And most of the newcomers climb like we're in the euro and dollar. However, what a surprise, statistically this is far from the most profitable pair. Moreover, it generally trails almost in the tail. And what can I recommend? Like for example, the British pounds, aka JBP, predictable, stable, performs especially well in the combination with other currencies like say JPB, JPY, Japanese yens, or JPB, USD, USA dollar. And the best thing for you is just like try to use multi-frame analysis. For the ones who don't know what is it, multi-frame analysis is a technical analysis method that involves studying the chart of the same asset on several time frames, and I will like do another video about it. If you will use this type of analysis, you will understand which currency pair should be traded and which one should not be even touched. And now I see that we have some more good news. Exactly that, our second deal for today ended in the way we wanted. It gave us some more profit. That is truly amazing. And let me please remind you once again that you should not forget to subscribe to our channel, because honestly for me it's very important. It's important for me to see your likes, your comments. I enjoy the support you are given and I truly appreciate it. And please don't forget to follow the link in the description to our Telegram channels, because people who are there, they are ready to earn money right now and they actually doing it. So you have a free channel where I give out my advices for free, like 5 days a week, and also a VIP channel where are people who earn money like the same second you are seeing this video and listening to me. So don't be afraid to do it. Don't be afraid to make steps that will change your future in the best possible way. Zach from Harvest Trade was with you, and I wish all of you to have a fantastic day. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.